Understanding Cylinder Seal Kit, an essential guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cylinder seal kit. This might sound technical, but don't worry, we'll break it down in a simple and easy to understand manner. Let's dive into the world of mechanics and learn some new English terms together. First, let's understand what a cylinder is. In mechanical terms, a cylinder is a basic component of machines. It's a shape, often a tube or a rod, that moves up and down or rotates. You might find cylinders in engines or pumps. They are crucial in converting energy into motion. Think of it like a heart in a machine, pumping and moving to make the machine work. Now, let's talk about seals. A seal in machinery is like a lid on a jar. It prevents leakage of fluids and keeps everything contained. Just like you wouldn't want your jar of jam to spill, machines need seals to keep their oils and gases inside. Seals are small but vital parts in ensuring a machine runs smoothly without any leaks. When we add the word kit, it changes the meaning. A kit is usually a set or collection of items needed for a specific purpose. So, a cylinder seal kit would be a set of various seals and possibly other tools or components, specifically designed for use in or with a cylinder. Understanding where a cylinder seal kit is used can help us grasp its importance. These kits are commonly found in hydraulic and pneumatic systems, like in construction equipment, manufacturing machinery, and even in some types of vehicles. They are essential for maintenance and repair, ensuring that the cylinders in these systems keep functioning efficiently and safely. That's it for today's lesson on the phrase, cylinder seal kit. We hope this video has shed light on this technical term and added some new vocabulary to your English learning journey. Remember, every new term you learn is a step forward in mastering the English language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.